forest fire right over here. I was getting, yesterday coming back from work, I was getting alerts on my phone. Evacuations in, they said by Rainier and some road over there, 138th or whatever. So I assumed it was way past. I looked online where it was. It showed Tenino. It looks like it's much closer than that. Tenino's 60 miles away. So I wasn't really worried about it. Now I see this, it smells like smoke here. I can, over there in the Weyerhausers behind my land, Weyerhauser Logging Company. And I see they're taking water from this lake right here by my house, Clear Lake. And the helicopters are flying right over my house. So I just hope they get it put out. It doesn't come this way. It's starting to rain a little bit. This is too close for comfort to have a fire this close. Yeah, their helicopters with their water buckets are flying right over my house here. Oh my gosh, they have fun. They're flying. Oh, here they come. You guys are stirring about a lot of dust up there. At least the dust is going that way. Let's see if I can get another helicopter going over here. Man, you stirred a lot of dust up there. See if I can get into the shot of another shot of a helicopter going over here. This is 2 minutes so far. 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Here he comes. It's about 7:30, 7:25. It's about 7:25 p.m. right now, 1925 on the 14th of August. I worked 2 hours overtime today, so I usually get home earlier. But yeah, the fire is close. I can see the smoke over there. Back behind my place, I can see the smoke. So I just hope they don't. I got a little bit of rain there a minute ago. Hi, Sky!